something that we can see all around us. It is in the air we breathe, the school supplies we use, and the water we drink. Matter is something that students should learn about at a younger age because it will create a solid foundation for harder concepts that students will be learning in the higher grade levels. As a science teacher, I have learned to incorporate all styles of learning where each student can feel as if their ideas matter. I want students to learn that each science is very important to learn about because it connects us with the world around us. For this lesson, students learned about the states of matter's characteristics, examples of each state, and how the states of matter change between one another. Students learned about these concepts through hands-on learning experiments. I can stand at the front of the classroom lecturing about the different states of matter, but the students will never learn anything. On the other hand, students will learn many things when they are manipulating with the lessons being taught. Students were given one ice cube where they observed the ice cube and recorded their observation in an organizer. Students used their own body temperature to understand the effects it has on melting products. First, I asked the students what they observed with their ice cube. Through this, students learned valuable vocabulary that can be used to understand later concepts. The students were asked to draw pictures of their ice cube going through the three states of matter. The students had to make a prediction at the beginning of the activity, determine what they think would happen to their ice cube. Later on, the students explained that their ice cube changed from a solid to a gas.
It was a rectangle, now it's just water.
Students need to know how to identify the difference of the three states of matter in their everyday life. They will show their understanding by sorting the examples and placing them in the correct category. Students will use these examples to understand how objects all around them consist of matter.
I like the gas. Does everybody have the same? Does everybody have the same? Oh my gosh.
As a teacher, I need to ask myself, why is it important for students to learn this way? It is important for students to learn by exploring their environment because it creates hands-on and minds-on learning experiences. This will be done because the students will be using their previous knowledge to explain how the states of matter can change between one another. They can use this knowledge to understand the world around them.
That's melting. That is water that's boiling into a gas, and that is water that turns into an ice cube.
Once the students were able to explain the changes of matter in each state, I tested their predictions of the balloons to show if they were correct. As a teacher, I plan on incorporating hands-on experiments and activities that focus on the science lesson instead of just lecturing about it. In doing so, not only do the students learn about science, but they also have fun.